Okay, guys, we are off now.
Bye.
Bye.
Where is that?
Off to Mumbai, and we are not going to the route from where we came from. I'm sorry, my nose is dripping a little bit, so please bear with the sound. And another thing is, yeah, about the road. We decided to go from the Pune road, not from the expressway, definitely from the Pimpri Chinchwad, and after that we'll be going by the old Mumbai Pune highway. I need to refuel, actually two of us, both the CBRs need to refuel. We don't know about the Bullet. He says that his bike may go till Pune, but I don't believe, because we've rode our bikes a lot, literally a lot. So yeah, my trip, okay, I have to set the trip. It's 358 kilometers. I think so. We'll be adding another 240 kilometers, so that will be around a total of 458, 558 and 578 kilometers. So I think my 1000 kilometers break-in period will be completed in this trip itself. Guys, please start wearing helmets, please. I mean, if there's no other gear, like, look at me, okay, I'm just with helmet and gloves and jeans. Yeah, I do have to buy all the gear. Yeah, it's just that I'm a little low on money right now. I know the money I'm spending on fuel and all that, I should have spent it on the gear, but again, I wanted to do this ride in any way. Okay guys, now we are on the road to Khandala, then Shirwal, then Kapur Road and Kapur Road, yeah. And after that, I believe the next stop will be directly on Dehu Road. We are going from outside Pune. We are not going from Pune because there will be a lot of traffic inside the city. Okay guys, I'm so tempted right now to, like, you know, take this bike, I don't know, to 100, but I so don't want to also. Looking at the road, oh god, seriously, I just want to take this bike and open it up right now, okay, right now. I'm sorry about the guys, I can't help, my nose is just dripping. Yeah, of course I've covered it with my handkerchief, but then thank god I don't have the monkey cap. It would be all wet if I did. Oh, this temptation. I don't know how much of you guys have controlled it, but and how many of you broke it, but seriously, I'm just right in the middle of breaking it. I so want to do this right now. If you ask who was my inspiration is Walter Ifik. Check his channel out, but recently he met with an accident. It was his fault, which definitely he accepted. Okay guys, tunnel, I'll talk to you in a minute. I don't know how the GoPro may record this. Gosh, dang it. Guys, don't wait in tunnel. It is too damn risky. And who's that guy who is riding without his lights on? I mean, you are in a tunnel. Come on, please turn your lights on. I'm on full high beam right now. I don't know if that's the problem for the guy in front of me. Okay, he doesn't have any lights on, I think so. His bike is too old. Welcome. Okay, we were talking about Walter Ifik. He's a really great guy, okay? He's a really great guy. I mean, his sarcasm, the jokes he uses, and the vlog he makes, of course. He has a Kawasaki, I think so. Yeah, a Kawasaki. So recently he met with an accident, as I was saying. He was riding his bike and he wanted to change the music, and yes, he was changing his songs by looking into the phone which was mounted on his handlebar, and a turn came which he didn't expect, and eventually he just went straight ahead and he broke his collarbone. Although he wasn't in much pain when that happened. He has uploaded that vlog too, so you guys should see it. Yeah, I did complete 400 kilometers on my trip, and yes, I'm deciding to take her on a whole new level.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight. Hold tight. You make me move. You make me move. You make me move.
96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Yes, I did it! Hello guys, so I had to stop because my friend, the one who was riding the CBR, he called me, and he's like our other friend who was driving the Bullet. They kind of got apart, and now he's like I don't know whether he actually knows how we are going through the route, but he was just asking me whether we have to go straight or are there any turns. So I told him, that just keep asking Dehu Road if you have any doubts. Like, it's better to stop and ask someone. Yo, rider gang with Pulsar and Dios. Why is there so much traffic? Like Sunday, because it's Sunday. People are going home after the weekend. Why? It's a new bike, for God's sake, don't do that. Yo, Pulsar riders. Yeah, aftermarket exhaust, and look at that riding. Look at that riding, guys. So great. So great. Seriously. Evo. Nice car. Yeah. Young blood, as I said, young blood. Giving signals? Nah. We'll just cut the lanes as we want to, right? Oh yeah, he wants to go too. Yeah, you can go. You're free to go. And douches of Mumbai. Yay. Everyone is from Mumbai, and I don't know how many of them have helmets, but they are definitely not wearing them. Okay guys, so we met each other, and yeah, that's my bike. And now we decided to take a halt, just so that we can do our lunch. So I'll see you guys after eating. Bye. Hello again, guys. Yeah, we did stop for a lunch break, but now we are again back to Mumbai. Our next halt will be at Lonavala, because we have to halt. Like, riding continuous is okay, but then taking halts is also okay. These guys may want to do some photo session over there, so yeah, that will be the sole reason for halting. My nose has started dripping again. I'll just let this guy pass by. My friends left me again, so I'm riding alone. Where is this guy looking? Okay. Oh, that is the express. God. These guys are dumbasses. You should look at the road, come on. I was scared to death, you know, guys. I mean, I do know how to brake, but still, no matter how confident you are, there comes a time when you will meet douches. And I couldn't even say him anything because he already, you know, showed me his hand saying sorry, so I was like, it's fine. Oh, thank God. I don't know what speed I was on. Hello guys, so I think we are reaching somewhere near the Ghat area. And why are these guys stopping? Are they stopping or not? Okay, paragliding.